Doug from Run for the Hills. Well, it's almost time to put the new tent up on the roof. I had some issues with hardware and I'm going to show you what that is right now. So the tent that I'm putting up here now is actually a replacement tent for the one that I have. I'm not going to go into why all that happened, but it did not come with hardware. So I had to source that out. I contacted Modular Racks in Vancouver and they hooked me up with this roof nest package. Everything was basically the same, except that these, what you're seeing here, were much larger than this. So my good friend Randy at Randy's Machine Shop, he got a hold of these and he cut them down, including he took the head of the screw down too, so that it would fit into this channel. So before there was no way that this was going to fit in this channel, and now it fit just perfect. So the next time you see me, this tent is going to be on the roof of my Jeep. Ladder mount's done. My new home away from home. Looks pretty nice. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. Well, it's a balmy 2 degrees out here today in Victoria, and I'm here at Rack Attack because getting this new tent on my roof has been a bit of a curse. So what happened was we went to put the tent up on the roof rack. The rails that hold the tent down to the roof rack are a little bit wider apart than in the old tent. So you can see how this one kind of fits. The screws are a bit long, so the bracket won't slide under there. And over here, that rail is too far over. So one of these slats has to be removed so that it'll fit. Very annoying. So I've come here to Rack Attack today because they're either going to find me some shorter hardware or they're going to actually remove one of the slats out of the rack. So we're just going to see how that goes. Oh, fuck. Rack Attack was no help at all. It looks like I'm cursed and I'm never going to get this tent up on this roof. Well, just stand by, see what happens next. Yes. Well, happily, the rooftop tent is now secured properly to my Jeep. My awesome brother Jim, who's good at all things construction, unlike me, cut some just some small pieces out of the top of the roof rack to allow for the hardware to fit. And you can see him cutting it. Boy, he knows what he's doing. Really cool. But anyways, I just put the awning on now too. So everything's looking pretty good. It's time to get out there for some adventures. All right, talk to you soon.